What can you actually say about nature? So just getting in that water, clean, totally organised, fresh shirt. I've had on my to-do list some time to make a chapter about accepting, or rather 7 or 8 years ago, having accepted death. And wandering up here, I wasn't in the mood to do it really. Can't quite. I got that. I got it in my head about 8 years ago. And having had a good dunk, I'm now taken to the right place, such that I can speak into my recorder about that process 7 or 8 years ago. That's all you can say about nature. I didn't think it would energise me today. It's not the nature really, it's just having a bloody bath.